Batangas. Team captain is number 13, Ronalyn Don Castor. At number 3, Krisa Madalugdog. Number 4, Kimberly Hamilia. Number 5, Lalin Garcia. Number 6, Siren Monteser. Number 7, Carla Montenegro. Libero, number 10, Glyza Jane Maquinto. Head coach, Mr. Ahmed Ailion. This is match number 29 of the preliminaries. Good luck to both teams.
Para malinaw, nakalimutan lang ni Coach Mac ihabol yung isang player dito ng kupunan ng PUP. Ito si Micah Quintana, who's also getting the start here for the Lady Radicals as we begin itong ating championship match.
Oo, kasi like we've mentioned earlier, both of these teams are still looking for the first win para dito sa conference na to.
Well, titignan natin dito kung makukuha ng mga kitikiti
na
galing sa Batangas o itong mga taga Maynila na masasabi naman natin PUP has actually shown a lot of poise sa kanilang mga laban. And of course, the addition of this young lady has really helped them out. Yung si Lourdes Clemente. So yan naman nakikita natin si Krisa Madalugdog, one of their leading scorers. At si Madrininco naman para dito sa kupunan ng PUP, ang kanilang team captain. Yan naman ang kapitana para dun sa kupunan ng University of Batangas. Ito si Ronalyn Castor. As we get things underway dito sa ating labanan in Group A, both teams of course will not be able to make it to the quarterfinals. So masasabi natin, swan song na nila ito. Huling pagkakataon na makikita natin sila in action. As Madrininco sends it to Clemente to begin this game. Galing sa likod, Amelia. Madrininco na, Lourdes Clemente, wala na naman sa pwesto. Amelia will try it again. Madrininco, read there by Monteser. Sa kabila naman, Quintana. Haba ng rally, panimulay. Lourdes Clemente. Masyadong mahaba ang galamay.
Yun again, one of the disadvantages pag mahaba ka eh.
Clemente has actually had national team experience as well, participating in the Asian Seniors Championship in China under Coach Samia Kailar, yung kanyang coach sa kolehiyo. Quintana. Atake galing sa kanilang kapitana na si Castor. And that one will work for PUP, Lourdes Clemente. So it is now 1-all. So ito si Crystal Madrininco now to serve. Very heady setter nitong PUP.
Service into the net.
So that will give the Lady Brahmas the lead once again, 2-1. And from one setter to another, serve ngayon ni Ronalyn Castor. Nakatuwa, nakatack-in sila eh, no?
May distinction yata kung sino yung mga nakatack-in.
Yun na nga eh. Sila yung team, with a few exceptions, pero karamihan sa kanila nakatack-in. As Monteser tries a short one. Madrininco sends it up once again. Quintana off the block, kept alive once again by the Lady Brahmas. Atake naman sa gilid para dito kay Montenegro. And a drop shot from Ilasco will find the line. So tied at 2. Siyempre alam naman natin, University of Batangas champions also sa mga liga nila. Dapat dito tayo mapanik, taga Calabarzon tayo eh. Taga Rizal ako eh. Ikaw taga Cavite, ito yung mga taga Batangas. That one is not going to work for PUP. So now back to serve para dito sa University of Batangas, yung kanilang leading scorer si Krisa Madalugdog.
Nice serve.
Madrininco sending it to Quintana on the drop shot. Madalugdog keeps that one alive. Madrininco, oy, walang tao sa likod ni Romo. Castor, oy, Garcia nalunod.
Miscommunication there from the setter. And Garcia, coach, sabi, usap kayo, pag-usapan nyo.
So tied at 3 right now. Serving ngayon ito si Micah Quintana. Quintana with a good one. Castor, combination play. And Monteser will miss.
So she's choosing the right angles pero kulang lang ng konting clip of the wrist eh.
Para pag nakita mo ito, University of Batangas, ang liliit talaga nila.
Oo.
Magkaka-height halos yung liit nila eh. They have a few tall players pero hindi masyadong ginagamit dito. Dito si Coach Ahmed Aileon. Garcia, yan oh. Reminds
Malibiksi
you
eh, di
of,
ba?
but reminds you of Micah Morada nung quicker pa nila laro niya sa FEU. So tied at 4 ngayon. Serving Siren Monteser. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Madrininko. Atake ngayon galing kay Gallianero. Ikot ang bola. Hamilya. Madrininko now. Sending it to Syra Romo. Romo's drop shot will work. So 5-4 PUP. Nasabi nga namin, di ko ba kasama ko nun or sino rin. Ito si Syra Romo. Sort of reminds you of Janine Navarro.
Yeah. Kasi ano yung frame, yung
Oo.
build, tapos pati yung lakas ng palo na
Pati
hindi mo
abilidad
alam kung saan
Oo,
nanggagaling yung
totoo yun.
energy niya eh.
Castor now, sending it to Hamilya. Hamilya, biglang kinargaan yung kanyang tira. And that will score for the Lady Brahmas. So tied at 5 ngayon. So serving ngayon, ito si Carla Montenegro. Madrininko. Cross-court shot is a miss by Fitzjoy Gallianero. So yung mga errors ng PUP nagbibigay ng puntos dito sa University of Batangas.
And actually, we've seen also in their previous games, ito para sa PUP, no? We can see naman na kaya nilang lumaban. Hindi lang nila kayang makontrol ang errors.
Ayan na, yung Syra Romo, nagparamdam na. So Romo gets that one. It's going to be an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Pero si Romo nalipat na sa likuran. Tied at 6. Garcia, Castor, galing sa likod, tira ni Monteser. Madrininko na, sending it to Gallianero, and she finds the line. The veteran from the University of St. Lasal scores. So lamang na po rito ang PUP. Syra Romo once again to put it in play.
Good serve.
Service ace. So 8-6 lamang po ang PUP in the first technical timeout of set number 1. Diyan lang po kayo, kami po ay magbabalik. Eight-six ang kalamangan dito ng PUP over the University of Batangas. Ang ating airing schedules po right here on GMA News TV. Saturday and Sunday live at 12:45 p.m. And of course, Monday to Thursday at 1 p.m. The third member of our panel is here. She is Cristel Bachelor.
Speed at floor defense daw ang puhunan ng University of Batangas ngayon kontra PUP. Coach Ahmed is also aware that the opponents are strong in terms of defense, so they are countering it through attacks and blocks. Ang PUP naman kailangan daw masabayan ang tempo ng laro ng UB. Coach Reynolds knows they are up to experience some fast play, so they also have to do good in terms of floor defense. Back to you guys.
Well, the floor defense of PUP disappeared.
Oo.
Dun sa hulog na
Nagulat din
ginawa
sila doon
doon.
sa
Yeah.
hulog eh.
Ganda ng timing nito si Ronaldin Castor to put that through. Garcia with the serve ngayon. Isa na lang hinahabol dito nitong Lady Brahmas of the University of Batangas. Defense at the net. Umalog ang net.
So
Net
that's
violation
yeah.
against itong si Madalugdog.
Kimberly? Or was it
Oh, Madalugdog.
okay.
Yan ang sinenyas kaagad ng ating second referee. So now, the serve by Gallianero. Set up ngayon para dito kay Hamilya. Free ball coming up from PUP. Castor finding itong si Madalugdog that time.
So, bawed sa kanyang earlier net violation error.
Si Madalugdog looks like she can play all the positions. Sa approach niya, di ba? Iba
Oo.
approach niya pag open, iba approach niya pag quick. Amelia,
Oh, good
Buelo.
serve.
Yep. Padrininco now. Kabila, Quintana over the defense. Castor, inangat. Monteser. Madrininco sa kabila. Quintana tries it again. Nandun si Madalugdog pero lalabas ang bola. Puntos para sa PUP. So 10-8 for the Lady Radicals. PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Madalugdog on the drop shot. They go to Quintana this time. Castor inangat. Monteser on the drop shot. Quintana again. Puro sa open, ano? Madalugdog,
Drop shot.
kinapos. Ganda ng reaction niya.
Mahaba yung
Konting-konti
mga
na
rally
lang.
natin dito, no?
Right.
Wala.
Reminds me naman, ito si Madalugdog of a very young version of Joy Cases. Di ba, naalala mo si Joy Cases? Parang kitikiti rin yan nung naglalaro yan.
Tsaka
Para sa
yung
Letran.
energy level niya hindi nagbabago
Right.
eh.
Lourdes Clemente doing what she does best. Erases attacks at the net. So 12-8 ang ating score. PUP umabante na ng 4 na puntos dito. Madrininco, another good one. Castor lifts it up. Monteser off the block. Madrininco, tinawid pa papunta kay Quintana. Ang hirap doon. Castor, hulog na naman. This time nabasa na ang depensa ng PUP. Oh! Ilasco with another lucky one.
Parang hindi niya sadya eh. Sorry, Coach.
Mapipilitan na tumawag ng timeout dito. Ito si Coach Ahmed. Ay Leon. Down by 5 ang University of Batangas.
Wala naman sila pinapalo, malakas. May nilalalaman ginagawa nila. Sa katutak lang ang error natin. Bawasan natin yung error natin. Di ba? Tignan nyo naman, nag-agresibo kayo. Ito na nga lang yung isa-isa man pa natin, ayaw nyo pa. Bilisan nyo, bilis tayo. Bilis tayo. Bilis tayo. UB!
Tama yun, no? Sangkatutak yung error
Oh.
naman talaga nila. Well, again, you know, it's not every day that you get into this kind of a competition. So,
That's
kailangan
right.
talaga may matutunan ka.
And you know, for the coaches naman kasi more than anything, they would expect, of course, na makapuntos ang kalaban, but these are things that are beyond your control. Pero yung mga errors na kaya mong kontrolin, yun yung mga
Yes.
ayaw kasi nilang nakikita.
Sa opensa nga, may kasabihan nga kami sa basketball. Sa opensa, may araw na malas ka. Depensa, walang araw na malas. You have to play very
Yeah.
good defense all the time and it will work out.
That's true. You
Tulad
know,
yan.
sometimes it doesn't always have to be, again, the strongest attack, pero yung usually the best defensive teams, doon ka talaga, yun ang mga nakakapuntos talaga eh.
Take a look at this ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Galing yun kay Siren Monteser. Second leading scorer on the team coming into this match as Castor with a good serve. Madrininco now sending it Ilasco. Dapat yata tawag natin dito kay Ilasco, si Elastic.
Classic.
Ang haba ng kalamay. Clemente. Si Lourdes Clemente had a slow start this season, pero nung nalaman niya, uy, aliliit pala ng kalaban niya na, nang mamama na.
Yeah, pero you know, again, sometimes there are players kasi that they have to adjust pa eh.
Right.
Some don't adjust as fast as others. So siguro, kaya may makikita tayong mga ibang teams na medyo yung gumaganda na yung laro or nagpipeak na, but sometimes it's too late.
Right. At actually, nakalaban mo na ito si Lourdes Clemente. You know how intimidating she can be at the net.
Yeah, I mean, sa height pa lang eh,
Oo.
'di ba? So, konting abot lang, hindi nga niya kailangan tumalon,
Right.
mablock niya eh.
So 15-9 right now, PUP. Maquinto on the reception. Oh, nice combination,
good
play
combination
run.
play.
Siren Monteser once again. And again, you know, ito University of Batangas. Naalala ko dito yung Davao Lady Aguiles. Naalala mo dati yung
Yeah,
grupo from Davao?
underdogs din yun eh, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Pero talagang
Well, PLDT Home Ultera presents that ultra-fast spike. So, Madalugdog ngayon on the serve. They can play any position kasi magkakasilaki sila lahat. Amelia, Monteser, Madrininco, running attack ngayon. Syra Romo with the celebration to boot. It is a 6-point lead for the Polytechnic University of the Philippines against the University of Batangas. Kami po ay magbabalik. 16-10 po ang ating score. Polytechnic University of the Philippines abante ng 6 kontra sa University of Batangas. Noel Zarate kasama si Miss Cavite. Ivy Remulla, dalawang taga-Calabarzon tayo. Kasama
Oo.
natin si Cristel Bachelor na taga-Espanya. As we continue the action, bagong libero ngayon para sa University of Batangas. Our first look now at Erica Tabion. Samantala, Gallinero. That is kept alive there by Hamilla. Hamilla o-opensa ngayon, galing sa likod. Madrininco going to Gallinero on the push. Castor is there. They send it now to Siren Monteser. Ilasco. Inangat, masyadong malayo. One more time around para sa PUP. Namigay tuloy ng free ball si Gallinero. Chance now for the University of Batangas. High setup para kay Montenegro, and that one will work.
Soft hit there from Carla Montenegro.
So 16-11 ang ating score. Baba sa 5 ang abante ng PUP. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Montesero on the serve. Kabila ngayon. Gallinero. Kumarga pa. Wala pa rin. Kasama pang Sharapovic shriek yun. Sobrang lakas.
May iba kasi talaga doon nakakakuha ng ng force. O kailangan may sound effects.
Ay, si Charo Soriano kaya. Service ace para dito kay Monteser. Naalala mo dati si Charo before the injury. Pag nag-jump serve siya, may Sharapovic shriek din yun, and that usually works. And now a quick timeout by Wendell Padilla.
Huwag nyo hayaang mag-ingay yung Batangas na yan. Tandaan nyo. Hanggat makagalayuan yung score. Casey, depensa tayo. Depensa mo, nakatayo ka, nasarap mo yung bola. Bakit tayo? Bola, oh.
May lamang pangalo.
Ano yung bawal mag-ingay ang University of Batangas?
Siguro na-realize ni coach na itong UB kasi nakakakuha ng kumpiyansa pagka sila yung, once na nag-start sila mag-ingay, nakakuha na sila ng kumpiyansa.
You go back in time to yung laban nila against UP Lady Maroons. Yung first set, hindi alam na UP kung paano sila makapuntos. Lahat ng hulog nila, lahat ng palo nila may umaangat. And the Lady Brahmas are doing that right now. Hamilla! Nakabuelo, pero binuhay pa rin. Madrinico gets that one across. One more time around. This time they go to Garcia. Kanyang tapik kinapos.
I guess Garcia had the right thing in mind. Alam naman niya kung saan niya dadalhin. Hindi nga lang umover.
Good effort though. Still a 4-point lead now for PUP. And now Alondra Ilasco. Elastic Girl. And that will be a service ace as Tabion cannot keep it in play. 18-13 ang ating score ngayon. Ilasco once again. So ay tanong dito kay Alondra Ilasco, ikaw ba'y beach volleyball player? Kasi marami siyang mga tendencies na pang beach volleyball player. Garcia did not get the read right. Madrininco sending it to nobody. Tinawid tuloy ni Romo. Hamilla. Inangat ni Quintana. Buys enough time for Tenorio to send it over to Gallinero. Single block there galing kay Garcia. Kabila ngayon, Syra Romo once again. Long rally, kept alive pa rin. Gallinero, maabutan pa rin yan ng Lady Brahmas. They are everywhere. Tabion gets that across, pero malakas. So, 19-13. Buti na lang para sa PUP. May errors itong University of Batangas because the Lady Brahmas defense is really getting better. Ilasco once again. Tumatalim na yung kanyang serve. And Hamilla naharangan tuloy that time. Eto si Maquinto.
So little struggle here now for the first ball para sa University of Batangas.
Well, if Ilasco continues to serve this way, mahirapan talaga sila. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. This time, it will be an error. So 20-14 ang ating score. As you can see, the coaching staff nitong kupunan ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Gallinero, susubukan pa rin. Nice dig that time by Monteser. Hamilla, off the block. Ilasco keeping that one alive. Madrininco sa kabila ngayon. Gallinero will miss. Parami yan ng errors. May kita natin yan sa stats mamaya eh. Again, both teams looking for their first win. And I believe the team that will have less errors will win this match. Madrininco, Romo. Good read, Monteser. Kaya lang naibalik sa kabila. Romo, ayun na. Dinana sa lakas.
Romo has been, giving out a lot of sharp attacks from dito sa utility area.
Siguro bigyan lang siya ng konti pang muscle and konti pang lift sa kanyang talon. Pwede mag-try out sa national team yan. So, Syra Romo on the serve. Clemente says thank you very much.
Can't have that when you have someone as tall as Clemente at the front line.
Laki pa yung mata ni Lourdes na nakita niyo. Naku!
Uy! Bigano!
Eto na. Hininapang niya yung tirang yun eh. Naalala ko dati si Pinok Quezini, pag may regalo, umilag ka na. Oh! May halos swerte pa yung serve that time. Dito si Syra Romo. Di ba naalala mo si Pinok?
Oo,
Bigyan
yun
mo ng
yung mga
regalo.
gusto niya talaga eh.
Sisigaw pa yun sa...
Gigil na gigil yung pagdating dun eh.
If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So 2 points away ang PUP from claiming set number 1. Romo. Castor sending it to Garcia and she saves one of those points, down to 7 points. So Garcia ngayon trying to keep the Lady Brahmas in this first set. Madrininco, Clemente. Binalik ng UB. One more time around. Clemente. Monteser is there. They go to Madalugdog and she will score.
Drop shot of Madalugdog. Scores for University of Batangas.
Madalugdog is the leading scorer of the squad coming into this final match of the elimination round. Ito ngayon si Laling Garcia with a service ace.
Kinabahan siya doon, napahawak siya sa dibdib niya. Ay, thank you, Lord.
Pero kulang pa yan. 5 puntos pa kailangan habulin dito. And you can guarantee that if the Lady Brahmas get this next point, tatawag na naman. Ito si Coach Wendell. And he may just do that right now. There it is.
Right on cue.
23-19.
Mabagal yung service Huwag natin madaliin. 2 points pa yan. 1 at a time pa yan. 1 point at a time lang muna.
Isa lang.
Bigay ng play. Dalawang spiker mo, di ba? Medyo mababa yung service. Dalawa. Sa kamay. Dito, Tapos mo naman dito. Receive mo tayo. Taas mo lang konti yung bola
Well, kailangan nilang ayusin nga ito because that is 4 straight points scored now by the Lady Brahmas. So 23-19. Si Laling Garcia, tignan natin kung susugalan na naman niya yung kanyang serve. Yung malapit na talaga sa net. It's a good one though. Madrininco. Gallinero. Siya nangako kanina. Isa lang. And now they are serving for the set.
That's right. A good play also from PUP. Yun yung maganda din sa kanila yung makakagawa sila ng mga combination attacks.
So now, Fritz Joy Gallinero, guest player out of Bacolod, serving for the set. Monteser galing likod. Kept alive by Tenorio. Quintana off the net, kept alive, not for long. PUP takes set number 1, 25-19. Pero a lot of positives din para din sa University of Batangas. Floor defense sila umayos. Yung mga errors lang talaga naging problema.
Yes, that's right. It's always been there. Actually, PUP has also given out a share of their errors dito sa University of Batangas. And this is our shake and play. A little help from the net. Pero yeah, a point is a point.
A point is a point, and that was set point converted by Laika Quintana. So, we will have our second set when we return. Malapit na po magsimula itong second set in the battle of the two winless teams. May kita natin PUP lumamang na sa attack points. Hindi pala ganun karaming errors. Tag-anim lang pala sila.
Yeah, but it seems like a lot for both coming on from both sides. But again, you know, PUP, I guess it's because of the service aces and the blocking. Kaya din sila nakalabang dito against the University of Batangas. But you know, we really have to commend the effort of both of these teams when it comes to defense.
Especially itong University of Batangas, although that time nabutasan nga sila ni Gallanero. Tapos Quintana is able to get the last point of that first set. So again, uminit na yung depensa nito University of Batangas. So we can see na talagang they're moving better now in terms of their floor defense. Opensa na lang kulang.
Yun na lang ang kulang, that's right. If they haven't created much opportunity para doon sa kanilang opensa, doon naaangat naman nila yung bola. And meanwhile here for PUP, I think, you know, they're getting their confidence already kasi mas nagiging agresibo sila sa kanilang mga atake.
Right. Madalogdog. Madalogdog versus Clemente. How about that? And the 5'7" quicker wins against the 6'1" giant.
So hindi nga nakukuha lahat sa tangkad eh, no?
Tinititigan siya ni Lourdes. Ulitin mo yan ulit mamaya. Binigay kay Quintana on the open. Good defense there by Maquinto. Castor will give it up. One more time around para sa PUP. They finally go to Lourdes.
Oh, there's a net
violation
error called against Clemente.
Tinititigan na ni Clemente si Madalugdog. Sabay tingin siya doon sa ating second referee. Hey, net violation nga pala. Lady Brahmas with the first 2 points here in the second set. Quintana once again. Sipag ni Quintana sa atake pero ang daming nagdidig lang talaga para sa University of Batangas. Here's Castor on the back set. Montenegro, yes!
Yeah, that soft hit or placing na hits itong Montenegro has earned her a couple of points already. She's just putting it safely over.
Pero nasa magagandang location yung mga hulog niya.
Kinakapos niya talaga hindi sakto sa tao.
Castor, Clemente, and Castor digs it up herself. Monteser. Madrininco ngayon sa kabila. Quintana defended well there by Montenegro. Quintana tries again. Good cover there by Castor. Monteser, yes! 4-0 University of Batangas.
Ang University of Batangas, you know, medyo hyped up na sila. Ito yata yung sinasabi ni coach na wag niyong hiyaang mag-ingay.
And this ultra-fast spike is brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Bawal ang drop shot kontra dito sa University of Batangas because they will just get to it. Clemente, yun, hininaan yung kanyang tira, tumama pa sa net, nahilo tuloy si Montenegro. And finally, PUP gets on the board. So ngayon, Cristel Madrininco to serve. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. And Montenegro, Clemente, again, Castor, keeping it alive. Amelia itinawid. Madrininco, Clemente!
Clemente, once she gets the set that she wants at nakapasok siya ng maayos.
Right.
You'd expect a good attack from her.
Bantay mo rin to dati, di ba?
Oh.
Hirap, ano?
Tangkad eh.
Tangkad. Hindi lang matangkad. She's 6'1", pero yung wingspan niya is about 6'5".
Ang haba kasi nung arms niya.
Right. Castor. Good defense again by Clemente. Try it again. Madalogdog. Misses.
Outside.
So from 4 straight points for the Lady Brahmas, it is 3 straight now for the Lady Radicals. Madrininco once again. And that goes out. So dalawa ang abante rito ng University of Batangas. And now serving. Ito si Krisa Madalogdog. Ilasco gets to that one. Clemente. Yan, bawal nga ang hulog dyan. Oops, too near. Tinawid na lamang yan ni Monteser. Clemente again! Sabi ko sa iyo nung nalaman na niya, ganito lang pala laro dito, maniniga na siya. I mean, no one is even close to being as tall as her.
Yeah.
Sa kabila. Ultra-fast pipe pa yan natin sa atin ng PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Nasa likod na si Clemente. Good serve. Inangat para dito kay Hamilia. Madrininco. Romo! Tabla na tayo, 5-all.
And Romo sometimes, when she goes for the attack, akala mo 6'1 din eh.
Haba rin naman kasi ng galamay din itong batang to.
Oo. At saka, I mean, also how kung saan niya kinukuha yung bola, talagang sa itaas eh.
Right. Castor, sending it to Garcia. Madrininco na on the back set. Ilasco misses. So better start for the University of Batangas ngayon. So ngayon, Siren Monteser. What a serve. Madrininco. Romo kinaliwa. May tinamaan ba? May
Yes.
tinamaan daw. So si Romo, that's what impresses me about itong si Syra Romo is that may gulang din siya nakasama. Hindi lang puro lakas, hindi lang puro palo. I mean, I likened her earlier, nagkamali ako, hindi Janine Navarro, Janine Marciano actually. More of that. Na si Janine Marciano, nagsimula maglaro dito para sa PNP, puro palo lang ginawa niya.
Tapos eventually,
Oo.
nag-transition din yung niya, no? Nagkaroon din siya ng variations.
Right. And sticking around with the veterans of Cagayan Valley has really made her a better player, especially Angketa Baquero. Combination play, Gallianero on the push. Good defense again by Hamilia. Garcia. Buhay pa rin, Madrininco sending it to Syra Romo. Placement shot na naman. So Romo has now given PUP their first lead of the second set. Lamang po kanina University of Batangas 4-0. Quintana serving. Lifted up. Monteser. Romo. Check ball na naman. So, itong koponan ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines is on an 8-2 run. They are up by 2 in our first technical timeout.
Mic this.
GMA Public Affairs social media sites on your screens on Facebook and on Instagram. Follow them there as we follow this report from Crystal Bachelor.
Coach Ahmed said he built his UB team with the mindset that everyone must step up. But in the first set, he noticed the girls are too rattled and are lacking the aggressiveness he wants to see. Tila pa easy-easy lang daw sila at ayaw kumilos ng tama. Now on to PUP side, Coach Wendell wants to see his team captain Cristal Madrinico and his two guest players Fritz Gallinero and Lourdes Clemente stepping up more so he can maximize their utility. Ngayon second set, wag na raw nilang hayaan mag-ingay ang kalaban sa loob. Layuan na daw na dapat nila ang lamang. Back to you guys.
Well, yung lamang na to, unti-unti nang lumalayo. After a 4-0 start for the Lady Brahmas, biglang na-kickstart ni Syra Romo ang opensa rito. Itong PUP, what an attack there coming from Hamilia. Gallinero. Castor. Garcia gets it.
And so far here, PUP has created a lot of opportunities for themselves para umatake. They now have 7 points from attack. And University of Batangas only has 2 points pa lang so far galing sa kanilang atake.
Gallinero adds to that total now for the Lady Radicals. 10-7. Now Alondra Ilasco. Nahanap na sa yung libero ng kalaban. Nahanap niya. Ay, siya pa rin ang kumuha eh. Castor, combination, Hamilia. Inangat para dito kay Gallinero, trying to go deep. Nando naman si Tabion. Good defense at the net by Romo. Still alive though. And that scores for the University of Batangas. So galing dito kay Monteser once again. Monteser, mataas ang porsyento ngayon sa
Yeah.
laban na ito, ha? Garcia. Tenorio on the reception. Romo nakabuelo. Castor, kabila. Hamilya. Check
There's
ball.
a touch. Yeah.
Sabi ni Syra Romo, oo nga, meron niya.
Pero hindi niya muna inamin
Hindi
agad
niya
eh.
muna inamin.
Oh, tinitay muna niya yung call bago niya sinabi
Si
na, oo nga, meron nga.
Liberato Benito yan. Matalim ang mata niyan.
Oh.
Again, not very many people know that Liberato Benito's daughter actually plays here in the Shakey's
Yes.
B-League by the name of Annalyn Joy. Dati malalaro ng San Sebastian. Oh! Madalogdog with the luckiest point of the season so far. Tinutulak lamang niya. Tabla tayo, 10-all. Ito na, University of Batangas. Keeping in step now with PUP. Garcia on the serve. Gallinero with the reception and the push. Castor. Quintana. Gallinero. Binuhay pa rin ni Castor. Tira kaagad. Madalugdog. Romo. Angled shot.
Good read there from Romo.
So Romo has now successfully combined Janine Marciano and Sandra De Los Santos
In one.
in one. That's a Sandra De Los Santos move right there. In honor of the former MVP.
Yes.
So 11-10. Ngayon siya magsaserve.
Oh, miscommunication there.
Okay, halo na
Sa
natin si
gitna nilang dalawa eh.
halo na natin si Rachel Andaki sa listahan kasi number 13 din naman ang suot ni Romo. Yung mga ganong klaseng remote control serve, si Dakis lang ang gumagawa. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So for PUP ngayon, they're up by 2. Castor, madalogdog into the net. Kanina pa yung girian nila ni Lourdes Clemente. Gusto niya talagang papuntahin sa mukha ni Clemente.
May target talaga siya.
Oo.
No? Pakaganti man lang.
Kasi pag tumalon pa ito si Clemente, lampas na
Oh,
yung ulo
yeah.
niya sa net.
That's
eh.
right.
Romo, up by 3. Castor. Hamilya. Nicely done for Kimberly Hamilya.
Good play there from University of Batangas. And I think, these are the kinds of play that they should execute more. Kasi nalilito yung mga blockers eh. And even the defense of PUP was also caught by surprise.
Think about Leslie Angata as a spiker.
Okay,
Di ba?
oo.
Clemente, kinalmot gamit ang kanyang kaliwa. Clemente. Nako.
Lost
Wide
her
open. Oh, wide
sense
open
of
zone 1.
direction there. Well, gusto naman padalin talaga sa zone 1. Wala naman talagang tao.
Oh.
Sumobra lang ang kabig eh.
13-12. Baba sa isa. Kalamangan dito ng PUP. Hamilya with a great serve.
Oh, it's gonna be a free ball here from PUP.
And a chance now for Castor to set something up. Monteser off the block. Madrininco, habol, Gallinero off the block. Hamilya, Castor.
Double touch. Yeah, very obvious yun.
Hindi niya alam kung ano gagawin niya. Yung kamay niya ikot na ikot sa ere.
She did the jump set, pero parang in the middle of, yung paghawak ng bola, biglang nagbago yung isip niya na parang
Oo.
gusto niyang i-over na hindi, sa set ko na lang.
PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for happy family with speeds of the 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. And Lourdes Clemente strikes again. So 15-12. Tatlo ang abante rito ng PUP. You have to remember that the University of Batangas started this set 4-0. Gallinero. Castor. Madalogdog. And that one will work kontra kay Quintana. Dikit-dikit talaga rito itong ating laban here in the second set. And if University of Batangas can just play their normal game, mahirapan pumuntos tong PUP,
I
ha?
have to agree. Kasi parang hindi ito usual na kagalaw nitong University of Batangas eh. Well, we have to remember probably that there are factors like yung pagod din na dumabiyahe pang galing Batangas itong mga
Exactly.
to eh.
So yan yung mga kwento ng ating collegiate championships. Yung kuponan na galing Batangas, kuponan na galing Dasmariñas, Cavite. Yung
Bumabiyahe
mga
pa talaga sila all the way.
nung open conference ka, galing Baguio pa eh. Di ba? Yung
Oo.
binabiyahe ng,
Right.
Team Baguio as Clemente gets it done. 16-14, a close second set with PUP up by 2. Magbabalik po kami. International schedules right here on GMA News TV, available online at www.gmanetwork.com/international/program guide. Ang ating Shakey's Face of the Day. Ayan po siya, si Lay Ann Valerie Selemin. 18 years old, galing Batangas. Hindi aabot sa
Hindi
inyo yan.
naaabot ng Batangas yan.
Batangas City pa, buti sana uli pa lang yan, di ba? O Santo Tomas.
Oh, kasi dito pa lang may intercept na yung pizza niya.
Oo. So 16-14. 16-15 as itong si Siren Monteser is able to put it down. So University of Batangas pumapalag dito sa ating second set. Crisa Madalogdog on the serve. Tenorio on the reception. Madrininco sending it to Ilasco. Kinapos, tabla na tayo.
Well, we are expecting a close match against the two teams. Kaya ito na nga.
Ayun na nga.
Talagang madikit.
And again with the floor defense, the way it is para sa University of Batangas. And the bad floor defense of PUP has now given the Lady Brahmas the lead.
We will see kung anong adjustment ang gagawin nitong PUP sa kanilang pwesto. We've seen na yan. So medyo nagbabago na sila ng pwesto sa kanilang service receive.
And Tenorio gets a good read on that one. Oh, nalunod na naman si Clemente.
Masyadong mataas yung set.
This is now a total of 4 straight points again for the University of Batangas. Timeout PUP.
Tapos ibigay tayo sa sigulat eh. Yung bola, di ba? Short ball. O, tapos atake. Siguradong atake tayo. PC, tawag yung pangalan ng papalo. O, kung natin ulit. Sabi na wala bibigay. Sabi mo, wala 2 points. Makatras ka kagad.
Communication is key talaga sa serve. Di naman bawal magsalita pag
Yeah.
nag-serve na eh. Pwede na magsalita.
That's right. And you know, you have your, may mga kanya-kanyang pwesto yan eh. So kahit na may mga lugar na butas dyan sa loob ng court pagdating sa service receive, alam mo kung sinong kukuha pag
Right.
bumagsak ang bola.
Balmicasa is the official ball of the Shakey's P-League. Madalogdog once again on a good serve. Madrininco. Back set papunta kay Quintana at ginamit niya yung kamay ni Monteser that time. So 18-17. Sino ba magsaserve? Magtanong na kay Allen. Magsasub muna tayo dito. So Clemente will sit down and a serve specialist comes in. Jenny Araño is in for the first time. So Araño with a bullet serve. Castor. Garcia off the block. Araño keeps that one alive. Madrininco sending it now to Quintana. Kept alive once again by Tabion. Monteser, hinulog. Quintana doing the setting now for Ilasco. Off the block. 18 all. Good response by PUP after the timeout by Wendell Padilla. So Jenny Araño.
Good serve.
Grabe.
Oo. Maganda
Talagang serve
service eh.
specialist tong batang to. And a good floor defender as well. Romo! And now 3 straight points for PUP. Jenny Araño once again to serve. This young lady is 16 years old. Will turn 17
Bata
in
pa.
October. Ayaw niya pinag-uusapan yung birthday niya. Hindi ko pa naman magde-debut eh. 17 pa lang. Problema yan ng magulang mo pag mag-18 ka na,
Oo.
medyo gastos na yon.
Pero hindi naman lahat nagre-request ng debut.
Hindi ka ba ikaw, nag-debut ka ba?
Oo, pero hindi ko ni-request.
Siyempre, ibibigay pa rin ng magulang
Surprise
mo yan.
yun eh.
Surprise
Oo,
debut?
Yes.
So may mga kotilyon-kotilyon din ba na ginawa na?
Sort of, pero not very formal. Kasi it was just like,
Ganon, ha?
oo.
So ikaw pala, once upon a time, naging debutant.
Yeah. Sabi ko, perahin na lang.
I'm sure yan nangihingin sa akin ng mga anak ko. Amelia with a good fake. And she really fooled everybody. Pati kakampi niya, natakot eh. Makakunin niya talaga. Samantala, Monteser hits that one straight into the net. And we are tied at 20. So ngayon, si Quintana ang magsiserve ngayon.
Good
Running
serve.
start, running start pa ginawa niya ron. Tapion, inangat, Montenegro. And now Tenorio has to send it to a free ball from Romo. Castor, down the middle, Garcia. University of Batangas looking to win another set. They have won one set this entire season. Can they do it again?
Oh yes, the
Lifting.
violation. Lifting violation there.
And another timeout by Wendell Padilla.
Isipin mo, Laika. Isipin mo gagawin sa loob sa pagpapasok. Walang bibigay, ha? Sa atin to.
Sa receive lang para kapalo tayo.
Ingay pa. Walang pa.
Sige lang.
So, itong kuponan ng PUP, we're just looking at the numbers here, have never won a set this season. So, they were able to do that in the first set. Ito University of Batangas threatening to get the second set ngayon. Can they do it? If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's, and it's gotta be the Shakey's feeling right here on GMA News TV. Romo drop shot, kept alive by Monteser. Free ball Montenegro. Tenorio, Madrininco, Romo!
Iba na talaga nagagawa ng hang time.
Akala mo kakapusin
Oo.
no? Biglang nandun pa pala, paangat pa pala siya, pababa na yung mga blockers, paangat pa rin siya. Ano tawag ko dati kay Janine Marciano, ginagawa para manananggal.
Naiiwan yung yung kalahati ng katawan nasa taas pa.
Bumababa na yung katawan niya lumilipad pa rin. Our first look now para dito kay Alison Cada, who is in to serve para sa kupunan ng PUP. Down by 1. Castor, kabila, Amelia, yes! Kimberly Hamilia has actually gotten a lot of fans already sa pagbiyahe nila rito. Yung sabi nga nila, yan daw is sa mga artistahin nitong kupunan ng University of Batangas, but she also gets it done on the court. Tyra Romo. Habol naman si Madalugdog. Free ball coming up. Madrininco sending it. Gallianero. Kept alive by Monteser. Garcia free ball. One more chance for PUP. Back set ngayon. Romo. Kept alive again. Boy, University of Batangas is everywhere. And it goes straight into zone 5.
Oh, ang tsaga talaga nitong University of Batangas. Yung floor defense was exceptional yun doon sa huling play na yun. Kita mong bali-bali na yung katawang kakadive eh. Pero talaga they managed to keep the ball alive.
3 set points for the Lady Brahmas. Romo. Montenegro still keeps it up. Hulog. Kanto si Tenorio. Madrininco bumawi. Habol naman sa kabila. Free ball coming up from Montenegro. Madrininco now leaves it for Romo. And Romo doing what she does best. Placement shot again. Hiningal.
Pagod siya dun eh.
Clemente is back. And what a time for her to return. So 2 set points pa rin para sa University of Batangas. Romo on the serve. Maquinto, Castor, Hamilia. And a net violation on Clemente. And that will give the second set to the Lady Brahmas. We are now tied at 1 set apiece. And this match has lived up to all its billing.
Championship match talaga.
Championship.
Inaasahan naman talaga natin kasi both of these teams, gaya nga nasabi natin, will fight tooth and nail to get the win.
And you can see our shaky shake and play. They are finding the deep zones. Ito ko po na ng University of Batangas. And Madalogdog gets that one down. Third set when we return.
You know, they really, talagang pinagpapamatayan na talaga nila lahat ng
Buwis
bola just
buhay.
to keep it alive. You know, everybody's rolling all over the floor and stretching out their arms and legs para lang talaga maabot yung mga lahat ng bolang binabalik ng PUP.
May halo pang balancing act itong si Siren Monteser sa kanyang hulog. First point belongs to University of Batangas. At natawa siya, natawa rin si Coach Ahmed Aylion. Madrininco, Quintana, Hamilia, Castor, Montenegro. Good read that time by Gallinero. So tied at 1. Pero galing 4 errors lamang or 5 errors lamang. Itong kupunan ng University of Batangas. Madalogdog, Madrininco sends it back. Castor, one more time around. Kinaliwanan niya. Madalogdog. Tapon, nakuha naman ni Monteser. Monteser on the combination. Both floor defense now working. Lusot, grabe, Tenorio. That's a good read. Clemente gives it up. Kabila, Monteser, nakabuelo. Tenorio once again. Madrininco lifts it up. Oh, Quintana
that did
kinapos.
not go over the net.
That was a good rally, ha? At alam naman natin, PUP, their floor defense is also pretty good.
Over that last rally, feeling ko kung hindi ko humihinga, siguro blue.
Subukan mo nga yan, Ivy. Next time na may rally.
Ikaw na lang.
Madrininco, Ilasco. Ito, mahaba-haba na naman yata itsura nito. Castor. Ilasco, kept alive again by Hamilia. Monteser. Tenorio, huwag kang hinga, Ivy, ha. Ito ngayon, Quintana.
Oh, buhay pa rin.
Madalogdog over Clemente. Madrininco ngayon. Quintana, buhay pa rin. Sa kabila, Clemente kinapos. The floor defense of University of Batangas is excellent.
Oh yeah, exceptional.
Pero lahat, hinihingal.
Kung di pa naman sila hingali nun, ewan ko na lang di ba?
If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Castor. Madrininco, Clemente. Sabi ni Lourdes, wala bang rally maikli rito? Monteser, Tenorio, Clemente. Napunta ulit dito sa Lady Brahmas. Nakabuelo si Montenegro. Good coverage there by Gallinero. Wala sa pwesto si Ilasco. Ipinamigay. Castor, another long rally. Monteser!
Oh, an excellent hit from Monteser. Monteser now with the 7 attack points and 1 service ace. That gives her total of 8. She's now the top scorer for the University of Batangas.
At parati sa kanya natatapat yung ultra fast spike. Brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Castor. Back set ngayon, Quintana and Maquinto is there again. Monteser again. 5-1 Lady Brahmas. Yung mga ganong long rallies na yan talaga, it's who will flinch
Yeah.
first. Madrininco, Clemente, long rally na naman yata to. Monteser. Madrininco, inangat. Quintana, hindi na daw.
That goes off the hands of Montenegro.
Sipag din ito si Quintana, no? Ang daming ang daming bato sa open spiker. Respond naman siya ng respond.
Yeah.
Lourdes Clemente now to serve. Young lady out of perpetual help. Monteser, Clemente, Madrininco, Romo took her eye off the ball that time. As an attacker, tinitignan mo dalawa. Kung saan mo pababagsakin, pati yung
Tsaka yung-
defender
yeah.
na parating.
That's right.
6-2, University of Batangas. Madalugdog. Service ace. Gusto ko maglaban University of Batangas at yung Davao Lady Aguilas. Mga
Parang
rallies
swimming,
ng mga
oo.
minimum 30 seconds ang haba ng rally doon. Service ace again by, yes it is. Look at this scoreline. University of Batangas now taking a 6-point lead into our first technical timeout. We'll be right back. At abangan sa darating na Webes mga kaibigan ang labanan ng College of St. Benilde Lady Blazers taking on De La Salle University Dasmariñas right here on GMA News TV. Bato natin ngayon kay Cristel Bachelor.
Both teams are currently equal in standing so far in this conference with no win so far. Kaya naman ganun-ganun na lang ang conviction ng dalawang coaches when they told me earlier they want to end this round with a bang. Pero coming from a huge lead, na-upset ang PUP sa second set. Puna kasi ni Coach Wendell, disorganized daw ang galaw nila. It also didn't help that UB is now indeed making noise inside the court. Iyong ingay na yun mismo naman ang kinomen ni Coach Ahmed sa UB dahil daw dito ay nakakuha sila ng numero. Back to you guys.
Well, yung ingay is really, really important. Kasi
Yeah.
sabi ko, gusto ko maglaban Davao Lady Aguilas kontra rito sa University of Batangas. Not very tall, both teams. Siguro mabibigyan mo ng slight edge doon ng kupunan ng Davao Lady Aguilas kasi yung kanilang mga veterans ay nakapaglaro na rin sa
Yeah.
Maynila eventually. Pero still, that would be a good matchup. Siren Monteser, up by 6. Elasco denied by the net.
Kinapos ng konti.
At magpapalitan ng tao dito. Cada will return. Alison Cada replacing Elasco. So a faster utility spiker ngayon para sa kupunan ng PUP. So Siren once again on the serve. Romo gets it across. Montenegro lifts it up. Hamilla against two. Great defense by PUP. So si
For-
Cada at si Romo.
No coverage at that time for University of Batangas.
So 10-4. And now the serve para dito kay Alison Cada. Castor. Garcia ay tinawid. Kabila ngayon, Gallianero. Nando naman si Monteser. Back set, Montenegro. Madrininco. Across ngayon, Gallianero. Another long rally. Garcia. Hamilla kept alive again by Tenorio. Free ball coming up from PUP. Castor. Garcia. Single block coming from Zaira Romo.
Good read from Romo.
Nag-iisa na lang. Yan ang swag.
Yeah.
Yan ang siga. PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. 10-5 combination, Hamilia. Quintana is there. Madrininco on the back set ngayon. Romo itinawid. Nandun naman si Monteser. Hamilia will attack once again. And a
net.
violation on the net.
Violation error.
Nakakarami na PUP dyan, ha? Wala naman si Clemente sa loob. So Romo called for that one. Montenegro on the serve. Gallinero off the block. Kept alive by Monteser. Nanggugulat si Castor. Romo.
Block.
Napakanda ni Garcia. Nicely done.
May tingin pa eh, no? Pahabol pantingin eh.
Sabi ni Garcia, subukan mo ulit yan, ha?
Binlock mo ko kanina, blocking din kita ngayon.
Right. 12-5. Tenorio, Madrinenko. Gallinero gets lucky. So 12-6 ang ating score. Lourdes Clemente back in front. So Romo now to serve. Reception there by Tabion. Free ball tuloy galing kay Garcia. Madrininco, Clemente, Montesero on the cover. Oops, pinamigay na yan ni Garcia. Cada lifts it up. And Gallinero into the net. Taas mo pa daw. Hindi naman setter si Cada eh. 13-6. All UB so far. University of Batangas so far. Hirap sabihin kasi yung word na UB kasi may isa pang UB, University of Baguio naman.
Baguio.
Oh. Madrininco, Clemente, and again Monteser is there. Pero hindi na yan mabubuhay ni Montenegro. Siguro itong apat na ito, magkakaklase. As we take a look at this ultra-fast 5 brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Magkakaklase siguro ito. Magkakasunod pag tinatawag sa attendance. Ha? Madalugdog, present. Maquinto, present. Monteser, present. Montenegro, present. May Madrininco pa, kailan sa kabila naman yon. Castor, Hamilia. Madrininco now going to Clemente. Hamilia, eto na naman yung mga long rally natin. Madrininco, Clemente, that time hindi na naabutan ni Maquinto. PUP trying to grind this third set. So Fritz Joy Gallinero to serve.
No good serve.
Bumalik tuloy sa side dito ng PUP. A chance now on offense. Clemente again!
Again, you know, if Lourdes Clemente is able to get a good set at nakabuelo siya ng tama, expect mo na yung mga ganyang klaseng palo.
Wala makaka-block sa kanya. You're 6'1", parating pa lang ang blockers, pababa na yung bola, that's it. Gallinero, Maquinto. Castor sending it to Hamilia. It goes back. Castor, this time goes to Madalugdog. It still goes back. Clemente again! Nabubutasan na ni Lourdes Clemente ang depensa ng Lady Brahmas. Take a look at this again. Mula sa depensa, ni Cada, sabi ni Clemente. Wala. Adlib.
Shot yun, eh, no?
Adlib na ang ginawa niya ron. Maquinto. To the back. Monteser. Madrininco ngayon. Quintana with a drop. Kept alive. Hamilia itinawid. Madrininco. Clemente.
Oh, a net violation error.
Yep. Clemente is collecting these net violations left and right. If I'm not mistaken, pang-apat na niya yan. So, 4-point lead now for the Lady Brahmas. And Kimberly Hamilia serving. Madrininco, Clemente, para kikintana yata yung bolang yon. Monteser, check ball, check ball. So 15-10. Kimberly Hamilia once again to serve. Sharp serve this time. Madrininco, they finally go to Quintana. Castor, kabila, Monteser over the defense of Clemente. Madrininco, Clemente off the block. Habol si Castor. Habol si Maquinto, pero wala na. So it is Lourdes Clemente time here in the third set.
And we can see that Madrinico is really utilizing her a lot. Sayang nga naman yung height advantage
Right.
niya over the net eh.
Over the rest of the competition. Walang tatalo dito kay Clemente sa patangkaran. And Madalogdog finally gets a point dito sa ating third set. Well, 16-11, lamang po University of Batangas ng 5 kontra sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Pakinggan natin yung huddle ni Coach Wendell Padilla.
Kita tayo eh, kakita na lang natin. Sipag pa, malayo pa yan. Huwag natin yung paraan. Pag ano, variations din kayo, hindi na po tayo upak na upak. Gamitin din ang variations kayo. Huwag nyo maghulog. Naupo eh, nakapwesto din sila eh. So, lutuin din natin yung play nila. Lutuin natin yung defense pattern nila. Para hindi tayo nababasa lagi. Pwede mo paikutin yung tao mo eh. Go ah.
Good tayo. Sige. Malayo pa yan. Malayo pa yan sa 20. Go. Kapit tayo. Say, PUP!
Talagang malayo pa yan kasi 5 puntos ang kalamangan. 16 points pa lamang ito. As we now check out Gininaw, ang isang member ng Heroche family. Si Ansel, si Eliza, si Adrian, si Lizel, at si Ansel Jr. At sila'y nanunood dito. At yung isa giniginaw.
Giniginaw na.
And now a 5-point lead. Once again, yan po ang aming mga pangalan na Walzarate kasama si Miss Cavite, Ivy Remulla, at si Cristel Bachelor. Baka maniwala yung mga tao na dati kang beauty pageant contestant, Miss Cavite, ha?
Oo naman.
Alright. Okay sa alright yun.
Yaman na yun.
May height ka naman for the beauty pageant eh. Hindi naman
Tinanggihan
natin.
ko yung offer na yan dati.
Yeah.
Hindi, seryoso.
O nga,
Oo.
nabalitaan ko naman yun eh. Sayang nga lang.
Mas pinili ko kasi maglaro eh.
Good defense at the net there by the University of Batangas. So ngayon, tatawagin lang kita Miss Cavite para medyo
Kasi
validated
kung sakali
naman.
naman tinuloy ko yun, yun din naman yun.
Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Sobra ka na sa kape, Ivy. Ay!
Kulang.
Kada into the net. Kulang ba sa kape?
Kulang sa kape.
Bigyan nyo nga ng kape to, Normalin. 18-11 ang ating score. Serving now, Ronalyn Castor. University of Batangas up by 7. Madrininco and
Clemente with another strong hit.
Pero it cannot just be Lourdes Clemente. Eto, palitan ng tao dito. Clemente will sit down and new serve specialist coming in. Aika Azucena coming in to serve. Azucena is 17 years old. So, ito na naman yung part of the young core ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Sharp serve, though. Padalogdog. Monteser. Madrininco ngayon. Sending it to Romo. And Romo being Romo. Dapat may pangalan na ito ngayon. Bibigyan ko ng moniker yan.
moniker yan
The Romo Cup. Dead or alive, you are coming with me. The Romo Cup. Pwede.
I think she's already scored close to 20 points. Probably around 18 points na siya ngayon.
Normal na normal para sa kanya. Romo tries it again. Tinawid ni Madalogdog. Nagulat ang PUP.
Kasi it's not supposed to happen eh. Wala daw sa script yun eh.
Nagulat si Coach Ahmed
Oo.
Ailion. Parang hindi ko tinuro yun.
Pero sige.
They will take it.
Yeah,
They
I
will
will
take
take it.
Madalogdog. Madrininco. Romo. Kept alive by Hamilla. Monteser. Dug up there by Quintana. Sabay. Kada. Castor. Galing likod. Hamilla. Tenorio has been doing a great job, but that time, hindi na naabutan ni Madrininco yon. Another timeout for our coach Wendell Padilla. His team is now down by 7.
Nakikita ko yung tsura niya, ayaw ng kumilos eh. Gawin natin ang paraan. Depensahan naman natin yung bola nila eh. Pinipigil nyo na naman yung sarili nyo kumilos. Lumang na tayo. Easy, ganun yung tao.
Isa-isa yun lang yan.
Go!
Tapang pa.
kailangan talaga lang mag-respond. That's the only way you're gonna come back here. So right now, Madalugdog knows that they are 5 points away, pero parang so close yet so far away yan. Kailangan lang mag-double time dito. Itong kupunan ng PUP to try and catch up. Castor, Montenegro, kept alive again by Tenorio. Again, she's been doing a great job for PUP. Garcia, too near. Free ball. Uh-oh.
Yes, a violation. Dinig na dinig mo rin no?
Tama naman si Madalugdog. Nung pumito si Liberato Benito, nilagay niya yung kamay niya sa likuran niya. Sino
Hindi ako yun!
Ako? Ako?
Hindi ako yun! Parang yung yung kumuha ng cookie o ng candy doon sa...
Nilagay ko lang yung sa mesa. Hindi ako Pero hawak-hawak niya para sa likuran niya. Hindi man lang kinain. Quintana. Montenegro comes up short. And here is the problem now for the University of Batangas. Error starting to creep in at a crucial juncture of the third set. Quintana barking out the positions before she serves. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Amelia. Garcia. Third ball coming up. Castor. Monteser. Naabangan ni Romo. Garcia. Nandun naman si Quintana. Madrininco. Lifts it up. Gallanero. Blocked there by Montenegro. Gallanero again. Wala na makakapigil sa kanya. Iba talaga veterano no? Samantala, palitan naman para din sa University of Batangas. Montenegro will sit and will have a taller player. Guest player Rose Ann Romero is only 16 years old. So I would think she's from the high school program.
And I guess ito yung mga future nitong University of Batangas.
Here's Quintana. Inangat. Garcia. Single block again for Syra Romo. And the battle between the two quickers continues. Romo versus Garcia. Part 2.
Good block there from Romo.
And now Quintana. Into the net. Finally, nakausad na from 20 points ang University of Batangas.
But that's care of an error pa from PUP.
Well, now Siren Monteser to serve. Set up ngayon. Ano yun?
Net violation error called up against Amelia.
Ponytail. Ponytail issue yan pagdating sa ganyan.
Next time, we require na mga coaches lahat kailangan short hair.
Tama siya sabi ni Seb Sarmiento, dapat nilalagyan ng kuryente talaga yung net. Para pag dumapo naman yung buhok, maamoy mo. If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Gallanero. Garcia uppercuts it. And it's in! How about that? Knockout blow ba yun? We will find out. Montenegro will return. Romero will sit once again. And Montenegro will now serve 3 points away. Ang University of Batangas from taking a 2-1 lead. Tenorio. Madrininco, hinulog. At minsan lang kasi gawin ni Madrininco yan, kaya hindi ka handa.
But she knows when is the right time na dapat nang gawin yun
Clemente will return. So Azucena will sit. And Syra Romo. Syra Romo is like an all-around, any position player.
Oh yeah, she used to play open or open hitter siya when they started
Quicker na siya.
That's right.
Gallanero overcooks it. 23-19. 2 puntos na lang kailangan ng Lady Brahmas. And now the serve from Lalin Garcia. Madrininco, Clemente. Sandali lang daw, sabi ni Lourdes. 25 ang kailangan nyo, di ba? O 20 na PUP ngayon.
So 5 na lang.
Kumakatok-katok na naman. And the serve now for Gallanero. Maquinto. Here's Madalog Dogs. Open na tumira. Kabila naman. Hamilia takes her turn. Ikinawid na yan ni Madalog Dog. Madrininko, Clemente. Pag hindi maayos, gagawa niya ng lusot.
So Lourdes Clemente with consecutive points.
And a timeout called by Ahmed Aileon.
Atin na to, atin. Dalawa lang yan. Score 21-23. Diba? Dalawa lang. Ha? Bigyan nyo ng isang magandang receive, atakin natin na maganda sa unahan. Doon, bigyan mo ng play, ha? Para, pag namatay ito, pag naging 24 yan, mag-iba-iba yan. Ha? Magagawa mo mga yan, ha? Ngayon, itong isang puntos na to, huwag nyo ibigay sa kanila. Depensahan nyo ito maigi, atakin nyo maigi, okay?
Yugi! Tama ang basa niya sa psychology. The moment you see 24 on the scoreboard, that changes the mindset of PUP.
That's right.
It must begin now with a very, very good reception. And the onus of that is on Glyza Maquinto, yung kanilang libero. Si Fritz Joy Gallinero, isang veterano na to.
And we've seen yung mga serves niya, matatalim din
Right. Of course, credit Roger Banzuela of the University of St. LaSalle for honing that. Nako, pinamigay ng University of Batangas. Here's Madrininco, Clemente cuts it down to 1.
I know you would expect that PUP would be going a lot to Clemente now.
Oo, habang nasa harapan
Habang nasa harapan. And obviously, kasi nahihirapan ng University of Batangas na depensahan yung kanyang mga palo, both at the front and at the floor.
Well, they need to score. University of Batangas.
Yes, that's an overreaching violation.
Natakam si Lourdes Clemente that time. So now double set point for the Lady Brahmas. And serving is Kimberly Hamilia. Good serve. Tenorio keeps it alive. Free ball. Castor. Monteser off the net, and that will drop in. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Monteser was both that time. So the University of Batangas has now taken a 2-1 lead kontra sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines, 25-22. Doon sa ating third set, shaky, shake and play. And sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. And Siren Monteser has to take her lucky stars na pumasok yung kanyang palong yon to give the second or the third set.
Sipag nito ng University of Batangas when it comes to their floor defense. Yung nga yung mga pasungkit-sungkit na isang kamay lang, nabubuhay pa rin yung bola.
Start of the fourth, Clemente. I would think she is the leading scorer right now para sa kupunan ng PUP.
Well, for PUP, it's still Romo.
Romo pa rin,
Yeah, 19 points Clemente
Wow.
with 18, Gallinero with 6. On the other hand naman para sa University of Batangas, it's Madalog Dog with 11 points, Monteser with 12, and Garcia with 7.
So halo-halo na ang gumagawa para dito sa Lady Brahmas. They have scored the first point of this fourth set. Clemente tries to be Supergirl. One more time around, Clemente. Hirap talaga.
For the University of Batangas naman, the key naman here for to be able to stop Clemente. Kung hindi mo naman mabablock obviously sa tangkad niya, di ba? At least yung mahawakan man lang nila.
Saka yung pasalo na block.
Yeah.
Yung pasalo na block. Just to keep it alive.
So malaking bagay din yun because patusok ang palo nitong si Lourdes
Right. Ooh, Quintana comes short. 2-1. And kung makita yan ni Coach Wendell Padilla that they did commit 14 errors in the third set. Every error now in the fourth set is supposed to be punishment. Punishment.
Yeah.
Clemente, again. Si Clemente wala na follow through sa kanyang tira. Baka manet violation na naman siya.
Panay wrist action na lang
Saka malapit din kasi yung bigay sa kanya. So Clemente, tied at 2. Good reception there by Hamilia. Combination play ngayon. Monteser, walang coverage. And Syra Romo sends that one back. So Romo, binigay kalamangan dito sa PUP. The question now for the University of Batangas, ang ganda, sobrang ganda na floor defense sila in set 2 and set 3. May gasolina pa ba sila?
Baka naubos sa biyahe papuntang Manila.
Oo, baka mamaya inubos na nila for those last 2 sets. Bubutasan lang sila ng bubutasan, just like that. Their floor defense is starting to disappear. Hindi na sila maingay.
And I guess yun yung na-identify nga itong mga coaches natin dito sa PUP, no? Yung ingay. It's something that fuels itong ating team from University of Batangas.
An error there by Clemente sa kanyang serve. And now serving para dito sa University of Batangas. Siren Monteser. Nako, may rotation error pa sa PUP.
A lucky break here for University of Batangas. Easy point.
So tied at 4. If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. And Monteser with a service error. So 5-4. PUP nakuha ulit yung kalamangan. Micah Quintana serving. Here's Castor. Garcia, itatawid. Cada, too near. Madrininco. Gallinero over the defense. Montenegro sends it over. Hamilia. Dug up well by Quintana. Chance ball. Castor. Garcia. Romo just gets it across. Castor. Hamilia. And Hamilia keeps it alive. Itatawid yan itong si Castor and it scores.
Oh, miscommunication there from Romo and Tenorio.
Wow, Tenorio was there actually.
Although regardless, pero, libero pa rin dapat ang kukuha nun.
Right. Tied at 5. Madrininco. Romo comes up short. 6-5. Lamang na po ang University of Batangas. Montenegro again. Tenorio, Madrininco. Combination. Cada is short. Attack errors naman ang pumapatay ngayon sa PUP. Serve once again for Carla Montenegro. Madrininco. Gallinero, that's how she likes it. Ganyan pala ang gusto ni Fritz
Joy.
Joy.
Medyo
Malapit sa net.
malapit sa net. So mga C.
Oo.
Yan ang play niya.
Ultra fast spike pa yan. Atid sa atin ng PLDT Home Ultera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Down to 1 ang kalamangan dito ng Lady Brahmas. Cada, good serve. Garcia, tinawid. Oh, no second ball. Yan ang problema pag yung first ball nakuha ng setter.
Makikita mo talaga dyan yung presence of mind kung paano mag-a-adlib pagka hindi nasunod yung tamang sequence
Right.
na sinong kukuha ng bola.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Cada on the serve. Hamilia. Nice top spin shot. And we have a close one here in set number 4. The University of Batangas up 8-7 kontra sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Pakinggan natin yung huddle dito ni Coach Wendell Padilla.
Oo. Huwag natin palalayuin. Sa atin tayo yung lumayo. Hindi pa pala natin set up sa kabuli natin.
Ito pala mahirap umagol. Ito pala
Tapos na tapos nangyari. Tapos na.
Hindi natin alam sila isang set to.
Kasi ito tayo na.
Mag-usap-usap lang kayo.
Talaga, tama naman yung point dito ni Coach Ahmed Aileon. Mag-usap-usap lamang kayo.
Yeah.
And nawala na nga yung ingay dito University of Batangas, although they do have a 1-point lead. Let's hear the latest now from the sidelines from Cristel Bachelor.
The third set paid again for UB. Hindi kasi nagkulang magpaalala si Coach Ahmed na sipagan nila ang laro, tagain and take it one set at a time. Hindi nga lang nila natupad ang isa sa kanilang mga layunin, and that is to to widen the margin of the score. Meanwhile, there was a general gloomy mood in the huddle of PUP. Coach Wendell wants the girls to bring back their focus and teamwork. Hindi rin daw kasi nila dapat iniisip na sila ang lamang. They have to work harder because the tables are turned. Back to you guys.
Sometimes it works two ways. Magre-relax ka kasi lamang ka ng 2-1 or kakabahan ka kasi lamang ka ng 2-1.
That's right. Kasi yung iba na pe-pressure na parang ako, labang na kami. Kailangan makuha na to.
Liquitin na natin to.
Exactly.
I mean, it's different if it's 2-0 over 2-1.
Yeah. Pero yung minsan yung over-eagerness, minsan di pa nakakasira rin ng ng laro yun eh.
Problems on the reception for PUP. Free ball. Castor. And Madalogdog gets that one through. So coming off the technical timeout, magandang response dito ng University of Batangas. They have now scored the last 3 points. Garcia. Tenorio. Madrininco. Gallanero. Good cover there by Montenegro. Amelia. Romo again doing a Sandra De Los Santos move. Tanda natin, Sandra De Los Santos became an MVP primarily on shots like that.
She just knows where to bring the ball. Hindi lahat ng palo niya dati malalakas,
right.
Diba? Proper placements.
So 10-8 ang ating score. Lady Brahmas up by 2. Good read by Maquinto pero late lang siya dumating. In yun.
Yeah.
And to give credit to Syra Romo, ganda ng placement sa kanyang serve. So, University of Batangas lead is down to just 1. Maquinto. Castor. Hamilia. Wrong read by the 17-year-old Alison Cada. And for that, she will sit. Babalik na ulit. Itong mas nakababatang Ilondra Ilasco actually. She's younger. That boggles the mind. Ilasco is 16 years old. As Hamilia goes into the net sa kanyang serve. Kala ko mas matanda si Ilasco eh.
Well, apparently she's just taller.
Oo nga eh. Gallanero now to serve.
Good serve.
Trying to tie it up. Castor. Kabila. Monteser. Off the hands of Madrininco. So the University of Batangas holding on to the lead. Castor. Bumalik sa panig ng University of Batangas. Montenegro off the block.
Smart move there from Carla Montenegro. Hindi niya pinilit eh. Nakita niya, mas matangkad. Sige.
Tapos doon pa talaga binuelo pa to the right. Walang coverage talaga doon. Castor again on the serve.
Clemente once again.
It starts from Tenorio's good reception.
Yes.
And it goes to Lourdes Clemente.
There are a lot of things really you can do if you have a good first ball.
Oh. Licasas the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Castor. Hamilia galing sa likod. Tenorio again. And that is put away by Krisa Madalogdog.
She has done that twice already.
Si Madalogdog ngayon nasa likuran. One of the leading scorers now. If not the leading scorer. And a service ace even adds to her total.
Yeah, I think she would probably be the leading scorer now for University of Batangas.
Madalogdog once again. Into the net this time.
Yeah, but she's forgiven, sabi ni Coach. Okay lang.
Yeah.
Okay lang.
Yung coaching style dito ni Ahmed Ailion, it's all positive. 15-12. Clemente. Tabion in as the libero now for the University of Batangas. That was a miss-hit. Galing kay Montenegro. Muntik na makascore. Castor. Garcia. Kept alive pa rin. Madrininco sends it across. Hamilia. Castor. And the attack by Montesero off the hands of Lourdes Clemente. 4 ang abante ng University of Batangas kontra sa PUP. So pakinggan ulit natin yung huddle dito ni Coach Wendell Padilla.
Ulit tayo. Kita yung gano'n, di ba yan, lagi-lagi lang ang bola. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng puwersa sa palong eh. Maboblock sila eh. So ginagawa nila, lagi-lagi nila yung bola. May short ball, may long ball, may ano. Tayo, yung kilos natin, ewan ko, sino bang kikilos? Kami bang kikilos? Tauhan nyo yung mga zone-zone na yan. Doon namamatay yung bola eh.
Si Coach Ahmed, may kita si Coach Wendell Padilla being the coach.
Yeah.
Diba? Talagang telling you have to cover all the zones. Pagdating sa kabila naman kay Coach Ahmed Ailion, saya tayo.
Lagi
How do you
nakangiti
beat
si
that?
Coach eh, di ba?
How do you beat
Kanina pa siya
that?
nakangiti eh.
Nagre-respond naman yung
Yeah.
mga bata.
Tapos ano rin sa kanila, I mean, not very often that you see this pero pag yung tuwing yung yung sisigaw niyo yung chant ng team nyo, si Coach talaga yung
Right.
ano eh.
I usually have one of the players
Yeah,
actually
it's
starting
usually
that.
that one of the players eh, correct.
So 16-12 ang ating score. 4-point lead for the University of Batangas. Now serving Siren Monteser. It's a good one. Quintana. Madrininco inangat para dito kay Syra Romo. And Tabion could not get to that. So Syra Romo has now broken the 20-point barrier. Ang katanungan dyan, will it be enough to send them to a 5th set? Isa pa lang ako fifth set.
Saka pala.
Ikaw.
Ano yung for the record mo ba yan?
Oh, wala. Hindi ko naman talaga
Yun
kasalanan.
yata yung kasama kita nun eh.
Kasama tayo ni
naka-fifth set ako nun eh.
Norin. Na pace setter na naman natin si Norin. Oy, si Seb bumahabol na. Nakadali rin siya na isa sa
Pero
spiker
in fairness nga kay Miyaka talaga ha.
Zero? Miyaka rin
Wala
zero.
makapaniwala, zero.
If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Gallinero tries it again. Good coverage there by the University of Batangas. Free ball coming up. Romo. Tabion with a dig. Amelia sends that to Lipa City.
And of course, no touch there from the blockers.
The 17-14. Tatlo ang abante rito ng University of Batangas. Good serve by Ilasco. Laban pa rin, Hamilia. Quintana is there. Gallinero. And that is good. Pero notice, defensively para sa PUP, may tao na lahat ng zones.
Yeah. And I guess yun yung sinabi ni Coach Wendell kanina, napaisip siguro sila lahat.
Right.
Oo nga naman.
Hindi na sila mabubutasan. Alondra Ilasco, 16-year-old, with a service error. So now serving naman itong si Lalin Garcia. Tenorio, Madrininco, Gallinero. Sila na ngayon ang gumagamit ng hulog. Naririnig mo ba University of Batangas nagsasalita? Hindi na, di ba?
Hindi na, yeah. Actually, that's one of the differences also. Earlier, talagang maririnig mo yung paghulog, yung mga ginagawa ng kalaban, talagang kino-call out nila eh.
So I go back to the question earlier. May gasolina pa bang natitira ngayon ang University of Batangas? Yes, they are on top, but only by 2. They are on top only by 3 after that attack there from Madalugdog. Pero again, panaka-naka na lang ingay nila. Are they trying to limp their way to the finish line? Yan ang katanungan dyan. PLDT Home Multera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Lifted up, Gallinero. Hamilia, hinabol na naman.
Bola.
Madrininco. Sabi ni Madrininco, habulin nyo yan.
So just everybody still trying to get back to their places. No, Madrininco talaga binalik agad ang bola.
Well, now it is the serve coming from Fritz Joy Gallinero. Montenegro, Castor, Monteser off the block. Ilasco cannot keep it alive. 2017. University of Batangas trying to limp their way to the finish line. Pagod na sila, that's very obvious.
So there's not a lot of substitutions here in the side of University of Batangas.
Right, and now Clemente will puncture them na nasa harapan na siya. (2018) Castor, combination play, Monteser kept alive, and here they come. Kala ni Coach Mac Gepuela magkakaroon siya ng tatlong lalanding sa kanya doon. Uy, nangyari yan isang araw, si Myla Pablo nalandingan si Seb Sarmenta. We have a timeout called on the floor.
Wala mo magmamadali Isip lang muna, saradong palo. Diretso lang, tiwala lang, you're the star.
Cheer up, ha?
Ano lang tayo ulit, depensa. Tatlong spiker sana. Basta tayo kung anong gagawin nila. Hindi mo sa pumapalo. Muna na tayo ng muna. Depensa muna tayo magpuhunan. Tapos sa atake, busy ang mga tao.
Laban tayo, ha? Let's go. Hey, PUP! One team!
May paus na dito sa PUP. Pansin mo?
Well, they've been playing for how long already? Anong oras ba nagsimula tong match
Oo,
na to?
mahaba-haba na ito.
Yeah, they've been playing.
Actually approaching 2 hours
Yeah,
already.
I would say so.
2:30, so...
Yeah,
magdadalawang
oras na tayo dito.
Oo. Clemente, read there by Garcia. Ilasco, free ball, and it scores! A dose of your own medicine, University of Batangas. 21-19, Clemente nasa likod, Romo back in front. Hamilya, Castor, Garcia, malakas. Isa na lang yan.
PUP threatening the University of Batangas.
The Lady Radicals fans now starting to get a little louder. Serve by Clemente. Sure serve. Castor. Combination. Montenegro. Nando naman si Clemente. Madrinico now. Romo ng gulat. Hamilya nagulat. Lahat nagulat. Ang tataas ng bola, hindi nila maitawid.
University of Batangas having problems with their communication. Hindi alam kung sino yung kukuha to get the ball.
Well, we are now tied at 21. Timeout, University of Batangas.
Kanina halos hindi na sila umiimik, down na down sila, binubuhay din sila. Diba? Kayo kumontrol ng laro. Kaya yung ginagawa natin, ibibigay pa ba natin itong set na to? Diba? Kayo kumontrol. Kaya mo. O all 21, ha? Sino mag-service sila? Atakihin natin ng maganda. Atakihin natin. Dali nyo na constant natin nyo, ha? Rudy!
Paalala lang naman. So tied at 21. Kimberly Hamilya not able to get it done in the last play.
Okay, Coach, parang a friendly service reminder.
Yun na nga eh. Magtipid ng enerhiya sa
Ang
susunod.
gas, oo.
Oo. Para hindi nangangapa sa dulo. Castor. Hamilya. Does she get her second win? Romo. Kept alive by Tabion. Castor sending it over. And now a chance for PUP to get the lead. Romo. Castor. Garcia. Dug up by Madrinico. Romo. Dug up by Hamilya. Garcia again. Yes!
Good, that was a good attack there from Garcia.
Pero may kita mo sa University of Batangas, hulog-hulog na.
Yeah.
Fatigue has really caught up with them. Again, for the third time, I will ask, are they limping to the finish line? Can they get it done? Monteser. Madrinico now, going to Romo. Tied at 22.
Well, PUP is still playing with a lot of energy as opposed sa University of Batangas. Medyo mababagal na yung mga reaction eh.
Right. And now the serve coming from Micah Quintana.
Service good.
Castor. Garcia. Nakaabang yung mga blockers. Castor will try this again. Sa kabila naman. Montenegro kept alive. Free ball from Hamilia. Madrinico, combination, Gallinero. Naitawid. Castor, kabila. Hamilia. Tenorio cannot contain it. And now PUP is also starting to look tired. Tenorio has done a great job today. Pero tanong, may gasolina pa ba siya?
So ito dito lumalabas talaga yung maturity ng teams. Yung
Right.
sa clinch towards the end, kung talagang patayan, di kita ng laban.
Off the block. Castor. Hamilia, cross court is a miss. Tied at 23.
Ito na sinasabi natin, nung unang kumurap, talo.
Yeah, pero yung pagod talaga. Both
Yeah.
teams now feeling it. And now, Alondra Ilasco trying to get the set point. Tabion, Castor, Hamilia off the block. Gallinero kept alive, not for long. Set point, PUP. Kaya tinatanong ko sa'yo kanina, kailan 5 sets ka na eh.
Pero alam ko hindi akin, hindi ako may gawa nito.
Hoy! Kanya-kanyang angkin yan, ha?
Ay, Noel.
Ilasco, serving for the set. Tapion, hindi pa daw tapos. Castor, Garcia just gets it across. Tenorio is there. Madrinico, Gallinero.
Oh, boy,
Tatawid pa rin! Gallinero, still kept alive. Garcia free ball.
And this will go to Romo.
Romo will miss. Wow! Patayin na dapat ang play dalawang beses. Somehow, pinuhay na University of Batangas and we are now tied at 24.
But again, we have to give credit to the excellent defense of University of Batangas.
Right.
Oh, nabuhay ang depensa nila.
Oh! Garcia into the net.
These yung mga gantong crunch time, all you had to do was bring it over.
Right.
Kahit sobrang easy. May over lang ang bola.
Zaira Romo trying to serve for the set and send us to a race to 15. Sinigurado na niya. Maquinto, Castor, Madalong Dog! Tied at 25.
So itong championship match nga to, Noel,
Grabe.
diba? And like we said, both of these teams who really want to bring home yung one win
Yes.
dito sa pagsali nila dito.
Amelia gets it across this time. Madrinico, Lourdes Clemente. Set point number 3 for PUP.
And we could expect PUP to be going more on Clemente now that she's at the front line.
First to serve for Gallinero. Maquinto. Castor, tinawid, yes! Wow! Saan binubunot ito ng Lady Brahmas? They are tired, but they are still finding ways to score. Race to 28.
Serve safely over.
Clemente, read that time. Chance now for Monteser in the face of Ilasco. Clemente. Montenegro, tinawid. Clemente, misses. Timeout PUP, match point, University of Batangas.
Buo ang loob. Isang pintis lang yan. Siguradong sir, isang palong buo. Buong palo. Yung hulig nyo. Walang second touch. Ito to sa likod. Buo lang pala sa harap ha. Tapang ka pa. Walang bibigay.
University of Batangas surviving 3 set points and find themselves now at match point. And only fitting, serving for the match, is the captain, Ronalyn Castor.
Pressure-packed serve for Castor here.
And she gets it done. Madrinico, Clemente, binuhay ni Maquinto. Good block by Clemente. Second attempt para kay Monteser. Clemente, tinulak. Castor. Madalogdog, Gallanero. Madrinico, Quintana, off the block. Kabila, Monteser. Tinawid na lamang yun. Monteser again. Clemente. Oh! Nobody got to the ball.
That was still good.
That would have been legal. And the match is over. The University of Batangas, as both coaches hug each other at center court, the University of Batangas will take home their lone win in the Shakey's P-League Collegiate Conference. Shaky shake and play, makikita natin dito. The defense at the net, forcing Lourdes Clemente. That would have just been second ball.
Yeah, pwede pa eh. Kasi hindi naman yan, natamaan na niya.
Oo.
Yeah.
And Madrinico is right there. So ladies and gentlemen, the University of Batangas pulls it out of the fire, limping to the finish line, getting their lone win dito sa Shakey's B-League Season 12 Collegiate Conference. And now, Crystal Bachelors with our very deserving Shakey's Player of the Game.
It was a come from behind win. Ano sa tingin mo naging sikreto ninyo kaya nyo naipanalo tong laban na ito?
Yung unang-una po yung pinractice namin dahil nga po maliliit kami. Parang mas nag-focus si coach sa depensa.